What up, guys? So I know I have a lot of car videos on my YouTube channel. I figured I'd make one of this. My girlfriend wanted a new car, and I made a deal with this lady for this car. Super cheap. It was 400 bucks. Probably not, I don't know if a lot of you guys know, but I'm a painter for work. I paint cars for a living. And this is a wrecked car. It needs some body work, but for 400 bucks, I figured I'd make a video, and I'll make videos progressively as we go through the repair process and getting it back to on the road and nice again. But I'll show you the car right now. This is a car. This is a 97 Honda Civic. Has 180,000 miles. It's automatic because, like I said, it's for my girlfriend. It was hit up here in this corner. You can see. I've got new fenders coming, new headlights, and a new front bumper. I need to order on Monday. I'm going to order a hood and a core support. And then we'll get all that sprayed up and matching. I'm gonna have to fix this door because where the fender kind of pushed into it. But yeah, this was 400 bucks. This one is mine. This is a 2000 Honda Civic. I bought this one from my dad for 150 bucks because it needed a timing belt because he couldn't seem to get the timing belt on. So I paid $200, had my buddy who loves working on Hondas come over and do it. It has 350,000 miles and it runs great. This one, like I said, has 180,000 miles and it runs awesome. I'll show you. I got the keys. I'll go inside. Now this video is probably going to be short because it is freezing cold out here. Ugh. Alright, like I said, automatic. I don't know if it's going to focus. 182,000 miles, excuse me. We'll start her on up going, show you that it runs. Come on, there we go. Hadn't started it in 2 days, so it was a little cold. It's got a nice little head unit in it, and it's weird because the coupe and the sedan have different center consoles. Like, this is totally different. My heater controls are up here, whereas hers are below. The door panels are different. This one, I'm guessing when they put these speakers in, they broke it putting it back on. It's still fine though. As you can see, the SRS light's on. The engine light was on, but I unplugged the battery when I took a lot of stuff off so I didn't screw myself up and shock myself. Yeah, I mean, it runs smooth. It's cold idle. It's got a sunroof that does work. And yeah, I mean, this car, I drove it home and it runs and drives great, shifts good. It doesn't have power steering because, I don't know if you've seen, but the power steering reservoir is right, and pump is right where the damage was. So the lower, low pressure line, like the return line, was broken and cracked and all the fluid went on the ground. So it doesn't have power steering, which isn't a big deal. It still drove just fine. Brakes work good. So for 400 bucks, I'd say this is a pretty good buy. Obviously mine was cheaper and wasn't wrecked, but I did have to put some money into it. So far in hood, fenders, all that, like the whole front end, I'll probably be in it 450 bucks. And that's without paint. Paint will probably be another 200 bucks. So it'll still be, excuse me, still be under 1,000 bucks for a very good running car with relatively low miles. Considering this is a 97, that is extremely low miles. And these D-Series Hondas will go forever. Just gotta check the oil in them. I'm pretty sure at one point this had a crazy subsystem in it, sound system, excuse me, because all the speakers are upgraded. The 6x9s in the rear window are Sony Explode. Not great, but not bad, better than stock. And there's huge gauge power and ground wire and RCA's going back there. So we're gonna put a sub in it again. It's all dynamatted already. Somebody already did that. It also has these terrible side skirts on it. I'll show you a clip right now. Yeah, those are the side skirts. They've got to go. I need just OEM ones. I'll find those eventually. But for now, the front end and that door, maybe this door, are gonna get fixed and we'll go from there. Just to get it on the road. The car that she's currently driving is a 2005 Chevy Impala, which is absolutely garbage. It has the same exact amount of miles. The heater doesn't work because it got plugged up again. I guess it got flushed out when she first got it, and now you pop the coolant cap and there's just sludge and just garbage. The transmission is about to fall out the bottom of it. It shifts like dog shit. So yeah, it was time to get her out of that and get her into something reliable. Heater works, it'll have a good stereo, it'll be a cute little car for her to run around town in until she can buy a newer one. But yeah, I'm gonna do videos periodically as I repair this car and as I work on it. I didn't do a video of me tearing it down. It did have the fender and bumper and stuff still on here. Already tore that off, and I didn't do a video. I apologize for not doing one then. But I'm gonna try to do more videos like this because I have this car as a project. I have that truck, which is a 1990 Nissan hardbody D21 pickup. It has the KA24E, I believe. I think the DE came in the 240, so it's got the E. I'm pretty sure it has a burnt valve in it because it doesn't have any compression on cylinder number 3, and when you put a bore scope in it, it just looks like it hasn't been firing. It's just like a dead cylinder. So I'm guessing that's what it is because it has zero compression. It's not leaking, it has zero. It doesn't have low compression, it's none. So I don't think it's ring, so I think the bottom end's fine. So I'm gonna probably put a head in that. And that'll probably be this spring, so I'll make videos if you guys wanna see them on that. But yeah, I'm gonna be working on this car a lot. I'll be working on that one. I'll probably work on my Civic a little bit. It has some blown out suspension that needs swapped out, so I'll probably do that. And then I have a cafe racer project that I really should be working on, but it's kind of got pushed to the side. But if you guys want to see more videos like this, let me know in the comments. I'm trying to make more videos. I keep telling myself I'm gonna start making these more often, and I just procrastinate. So now this is gonna be the first one. I'm telling you right now, you're gonna see more content from me. If you guys wanna see painting videos, I could do that. I have a GoPro, I could strap it to myself and show you guys how to paint some stuff. Yeah, just let me know what you guys wanna see. I'm open to anything, but yeah, look forward to seeing more content from me. So until next time, I'll catch you guys in the next video. I'll probably have all the parts, start fitting parts up, take the core support off, show you guys how to do that, how that all works. And yeah, maybe you guys could do this yourself. Buy a wrecked car, fix it, flip it, or have a nice, cheap car. Alright guys, see you on the next video. Peace.